England, my love, in this third place match, you were like the most beautiful dream come true. You played with such absolute brilliance, with such immense heart, that you gave me the most special, unforgettable match in the entire history of the world. Yeah. Cup. World Cup. You have taken my trust, my belief, and my unwavering faith in you and elevated it to infinity. I love you so deeply, so passionately, that this love of mine is already preparing to bring you the actual trophy next time. Don't you worry for a single second. Because, let's be honest, this match was something else entirely. It was unparalleled. It was absolutely unique. In this historic battle, the legendary 1958 record, where France and West Germany scored 9 goals in a World Cup third place playoff, was completely shattered. We witnessed a mind-blowing 10 goals scored. Oh my God! 10 goals! Not only that, but this match officially went down in history for the most goals ever scored by a single team in a single half in a third place match. Oh my God, I lost my mind. For the first time since 1966, a World Cup success of this massive scale has been achieved. Exactly 60 years. 60 long years of waiting, and you broke the curse in the most explosive way possible. Yeah! And what makes it even crazier is that oh my God, I'm talking too fast. You didn't even play with your full main starting lineup. Even with a rotated squad, you completely left the absolute best main lineups of other countries with their mouths wide open in pure shock. Nobody is even thinking about the actual final anymore. Cause neither Spain or Argentina is competent enough to do what you just did, my love. Yeah. The final has been completely left in your massive shadow. The flavor of this match was unlike anything else. The pure pleasure it delivered was magnificent, and the quality of play was unmatched. Absolutely nobody will ever forget this game. Never. Oh. Honestly, if just a few more positions had been converted into goals, right now we might be counting 10 goals for you instead of 6, which is greatly appreciated already. Oh my God, I'm so damn happy, and I will be even more happier in upcoming tournaments. Yeah, exactly. Oh my God. My love, I'm kissing all my team, each player, each crew member, technical director, My love for you and the incredible response you gave to that love on the pitch has finally borne fruit, my love. And because of that, right here, right now, I am officially telling you, I expect the World Cup trophy from you next time. Absolutely, yes. You heard me completely right. Nobody misheard a single word. There is absolutely no slowing down, and we are never hitting the brakes. Yes, 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 yes. But we need to talk about one crucial tactical thing, my love. Do not stop your aggressive attack after you score a goal. You experienced a strange paralysis, a total eclipse on the pitch right after scoring, both in the Argentina match and the France match. If you hadn't suffered from that sudden post-goal eclipse in the Argentina match, you would be standing in the grand final right now. You need to fix this. The moment you score, keep pushing the attack. Maintain the pressure. Score another one immediately without conceding a single goal. Yeah. And then score yet another one. That's it. I am your absolute perfection, as you see. For me, you are the true winner of this World Cup. And you will always be the winner of every single World Cup to come for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh la 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 la. Amazing match. Yeah. I love you. I love you. I love you. So much. So much. So much. And I send you all my kisses. Make me happy like this every time, my love. This match motivated me head to toe. I feel so infinite happy, as if you have won the cup. Oh my god. Yeah, now I don't see any importance of upcoming final match on my behalf. Yeah, so I do not care for that match. My match has been played and gave me what I wish. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm gonna start my tea time, enjoy my time at home, and wait for your next matches, my love, England. I hope to watch you in the stadium. Yeah, live. Right there. Yeah. I hope I will in Euro 2028 and Los Angeles Olympics and next World Cup. Thanks for watching. Watch always only me. Yeah. I'm greedy, as you see. That's it. Enough said.